Welcome to the topic of solving simple linear equations. Let's break down the process clearly to understand how to isolate the variable and find its value. We start with the equation 2x plus 3 equals 7. Let's go step by step to solve it. To eliminate the constant on the left side, subtract 3 from both sides. 2x plus 3 minus 3, 7 is 3. This simplifies to 2x equals 4. To isolate x, divide both sides by 2. Frac 2x, you frac 4, 2. This results in x equals 2. We can check our solution by substituting x back into the original equation. 2 plus 3 equals 4 plus 3 equals 7. Both sides of the equation are equal. Confirming x equals 2 is correct. Understanding and practicing these steps will help you gain confidence in solving simple linear equations. If you have any questions or want to solve additional examples, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching this tutorial.